everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and these are my monthly favorites. So it's Amazon Prime Day. That's the fall Prime Day of Amazon, and this is the lowest prices right now from the entire year. That's the lowest prices you can ever find. And this is why today I am not just reviewing the products, but as well recommend you guys to go check out these products during the Amazon Prime Day. And this video is going to be published a little bit prior to the Prime Day. Well, let's get started. And the very first product that I'm going to review here today, it's 4 products by Momcozy. Momcozy, it's the most favorite brand for moms because they are creating the best products for kids and moms, especially like mostly for moms. They're all about taking care about your baby, and their products are the best and highest quality out there. I'm using Momcozy for about 2 years right now, since I delivered basically, and I only had a great and amazing experience so far. So today I'm going to review 4 products by Momcozy. It's the Momcozy Breast Pump, the M9 newest upgraded model, the Momcozy 3 layers large bottle sterilizer and dryer, as well as the Momcozy Clean Paul Pro Baby Bottle Washer, as well as the last product, Momcozy Portable Bottle Warmer for travel. Well guys, let's get started with the review. Allow me to start with this Momcozy Breast Pump. This is a hands-free mobile flow, and this model is the M9 model. So it has a discrete control with a personalized multi-modes as well with a smart application. You have this breast pump in 2 different colors, in cozy red or in gray. I've got mine in cozy red. And now this pump is the most developed, the newest one, and it's all about the smart pumping. So you can control the mobile flow via the Momcozy smart application to start, pause, or count down the pumping, as well as you can switch to different pumping settings. There is no need to reach into your bra anymore. It's all controllable and trackable through the smart application. As well as what's really important is that you will have all the data about your pumping inside of your smart application as well. This pump is strong and quiet. This is the 3rd generation pump, and it is all about upgrading the pumping efficiency with reduced noise. It supports 15 different suction levels, and you're welcome to choose the one that will work for you, all under every type of a pattern, all customizable through the smart application. It offers multi-modes, so you can select from 3 regular modes: stimulation plus expression plus mixed. These are the 3 regular modes that this pump is offering, as well as you have a personalized modes and 2 specialist modes, the milk relief and the milk boost, all through the smart application directly from your phone. So you can craft and create your own personal rhythm to suit your comfort and preference. You will always find your optimal way of pumping with this Momcozy breast pump. This one is mobile, and you can absolutely take this one with you anywhere you're going, as well as this one is discreet. It's really hard to spot this one on you. It goes underneath your bra, and you can just basically go and walk around your house or be outdoors and do any type of activity with this bra. I am not breastfeeding anymore, but from my breastfeeding experience, I can tell you guys that this pump is definitely gonna do really well. Now let's move on to my next product, and this is the Momcozy 3 layers large bottle sterilizer and dryer. And guys, you could already see a review here on my channel of this dryer. Well, we are still using this one. This one is best to sterilize and to dry any type of baby equipment, and not just baby equipment, any type of things out, you know. It comes with 2 specified nozzles for breast pump, to sterilize your breast pump and to dry it. This sterilizer and dryer comes with 3 layers, and it can take it all. Any type of bottles, any type of pacifiers, of baby toys, of breast pumps, and so very on. Every single thing you can think of, you can absolutely sterilize and dry in this one. You can choose between a few modes. You can sterilize only, you can dry only, or you can sterilize and dry as well. It's very fast and powerful. So you have a steam sterilized mode, which can kill 99.9% of any possible harmful substance in just 9 minutes. Then it's going to automatically dry by your choice, and the dryer has a timer of 10 to 60 minutes. So you can choose what time to define to dry your items. The next product, it's the one that I am still using as well every single day, a few times per day. It's the Momcozy Clean Paul Pro Baby Bottle Washer. Many modes to choose from, so it can wash, it can sterilize, it can dry, and you can combine between all these as well. It can also use as a storage, and it's gonna keep your bottles stored inside, keep them warm, keep them clean, dry, and sterilized. It can fit up to 4 bottles at once, as well as it comes with a tray that you put on top, and you can add any type of teethers, pacifiers, or baby toys to sterilize and wash and dry as well. It works on 26 powerful spray jets for true cleaning, so there's gonna be no single stained spot that's gonna be missed. It has
12 directional spray jets in 4 sets brush the interior of each bottle, while 10 swirling spray jets cleans the surface of your bottles. It can absolutely work for a breast pump as well, and you have 9 different cleaning modes to choose from and to combine from. Freely combine the 4 modes all between them. You have rapid wash, you have normal wash, which takes 29 minutes. You have sterilize and dry mode, you have storage mode, and you can customize it all through the settings. If you are in a rush, well, use the quick wash. It will efficiently clean your bottles in just 90 minutes. This one is effective steam sterilizer. It creates a safe and hygienic feeding environment for your little beloved baby. And the very last product for this video today, guys, it's the Momcozy portable bottle warmer for travel. It's best for traveling and it has this cordless design. It will heat breast milk or any type of a formula anytime and anywhere, as well as you can control the temperature while on the go. It's compatible with a fast charging, the adapter which is higher than 15 watts, and it's making warm milk on the go easier and more convenient for you. It's all about safe heating, and this one is a leak proof as well. It's made of a food grade materials, ensuring no odor or any harmful substances will get into your milk. It will heat 4 ounces of milk to 98 degrees by Fahrenheit in just 2 minutes. It offers 6 regular adjustable temperature settings, so you can choose anywhere between 90 degrees by Fahrenheit and up to 122 degrees by Fahrenheit. Now let's talk about the battery life. So it can heat up to 6 to 14 times for 4 ounces of milk and 4 to 9 times for 6 ounces of milk when fully charged.
Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know which one of the Momcozy's products touched your heart at the best way. Let me know which one you already used, you already tried, you already saw. Let me know which one will you choose for your baby and for yourself. And well, guys, be so very sure to check Momcozy out. They are having the best sale of the year right now on their Amazon. So I'll leave you all of the links down below for their Amazon store, so you could go ahead and check them out. As well as I'm going to leave you all of the discount coupon codes, promotions, sales information as well. If there's going to be a coupon code to get some more and extra discount, well, you're going to find it down below to this video of mine. Now I'm going to move on to my next product I'm going to review here today, and this is Eufy Outdoor Lights. So you can put these on your house, like at the front of your house to make like a frame, as well as you can put these on your garden, on your backyard, on your front yard, whatever you feel like. These are made to be outdoor, they're durable, they're amazing quality, and they're waterproof. So you choose where you're gonna put these. Well guys, let's get started with the review.
So we installed these Eufy Permanent Outdoor Lights E22 all over our house, and they are so very cool. These are available on Amazon, and they're coming in 2 different lengths of the lights. So you have 50 feet or you have 100 feet. You choose the length that will work the best for you. I've got the 100 feet, and it was enough for the front of our house. First of all, let's talk about the installation. It's all about the DIY installation. The lights are super easy to install. My husband did it, and he just used a ladder, of course. The lights are coming with adhesive tape that sticks to most surfaces, and they also come with a screw hole for added reinforcement. This ensures that you can set up your lights quickly and securely with a minimal effort. Now let's talk about the lights themselves. First of all, of course, that they're coming with a smart application as well as with a voice control. Through the Eufy Life smart application, you can access over 80 preset lighting themes and scenes, as well as you can create your own custom patterns, scenes, colors, and brightness levels. It's all customizable, and these lights are all about the DIY type of experience. The lights are also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, and they're offering an easy and hands-free voice control. So you can just say, Alexa, turn Eufy lights on. Now let's talk about the lights themselves. These are a triple LED type of lights, and this is actually an upgraded version. So these lights are incorporated with a triple LED design, combining their RGB, warm and cool white LEDs. This setup provides up to 90 lumens of brightness and an adjustable color temperature range from 1500K to 9000K. These are having 16 million colors and adjustable saturation. These lights are ideal for any type of decorating, like gardens, houses, yards, or any outdoor area. They are AI powered. Yes, everything is AI powered today, I feel like, but well, Eufy got it first. So once you will connect the Eufy Life smart application, you can easily enhance your outdoor environment. The AI features allows you to input your lighting preferences, and the AI will generate various lighting themes and different scenarios, all to your specific celebrations, moods, or any other special occasions. You just tell the AI, what do you feel like today? And it will do the rest of the work. They are durable and they're built for any type of weather, so these are definitely built to survive the outdoors. The light strings and the controllers are all designed for durability. It has IP65 waterproof and UV resistant ratings. The power adapter itself is rated IP67 waterproof standard by ensuring a reliable performance even in a very harsh weather conditions. With an operating temperature range from -4 degrees by Fahrenheit and up to 140 degrees by Fahrenheit, these lights will survive in any of these temperatures. The lights are built to last over 55,000 hours. Now guys, a wonder is happening here. So through the Wonder Link with eufy cameras, you can connect and synchronize these lights with your eufy cameras. For an example, I have this solar charging hassle-free security camera by eufy Security. And so I can synchronize this camera with the lights. That will allow the product to emit specific light themes when people are detected. This feature enhances safety and adds a welcoming or personalized touch to your outdoor space. So this is how it works in synergy. The camera is noticing, hey, there is a party, and the camera will automatically turn on the lights and create a scene that will fit party. Or the camera detects, hey, there are two people chilling right now at the outdoors. It will create a scene with the lights that will synchronize the environment. So it will create, let's say, a calming down, romantic, or just like relaxing type of environment with the lights. Isn't it extra cool? Well guys, I'm honestly a big fan of these. It was an easy installation and I could create so many different scenes and I could enjoy in so many possible ways from these outdoor lights. Absolutely love these.
Guys, thank you so much for watching this review of mine. I hope it was helpful. Please let me know how will you decorate your house for Christmas, because these are permanent, which means these are stays forever. So once you apply them on your house or on your yard or whatever you choose to put them on, you can choose the scene for every single holiday. It doesn't matter if it's a Valentine's Day, you can make it all red and romantic atmosphere. If it's Christmas, you can make it Christmas style. If it's Halloween, you can make it like, you know, this black or maybe like orange type of a color. Whatever works for you, you know, you choose. So these are permanent, they're staying there forever. So any possible type of a holiday, any possible type of a celebration, someone's get married, it's someone's birthday, you can always change the scene for these eufy outdoor lights and celebrate for that special occasion with your family, with yourself, or with your friends. Well guys, be so very sure to check eufy out. I will leave you all of the links down below to the description box to this video of mine, like coupon code, sales, promotions. They are definitely also having an amazing Prime Day promotion. So guys, they are available on Amazon. Be so very sure to check them all out. Links are down below. You know what to do. And well, we are moving to my next and very last product for today. And it's these headphones by PXN. This is the 308E model, and these are wireless. These were especially made, created, and designed for gamers. They're all about give you the fastest, the best, and the most accurate reaction directly to your ears and directly from your mouth, because these are coming with a microphone. Yes. So guys, if you are into games, if you are into something that needs the fastest reaction possible, these headphones are for you for sure. It's a headphones with a microphone that goes out, and well, these works absolutely amazing. Well, let's get started with the review.
So guys, these are a PXN 308E model wireless gaming headset with microphone. These are that type of headphones that goes over the ear, like with a headband, and they comes with a microphone, as I said before. They're just so very gorgeous. Like, look at this gorgeous color. They're pretty. Well guys, let's talk about the tech details of these headphones. So first of all, these are multi-platform compatible. These PXN gaming headset compatible with PC, PS4, like PlayStation 4, with Switch, with your Mac computer, with your Mac laptop, or any other type of laptop, with your phone, and so very on. These are made in an ergonomic way. So the design of these is combining aesthetics with comfort. So the ear cups are rounded and plush, fully enveloping the ears. It is made from a high quality protein leather. So they are soft and cushiony. Like, they're very soft and nice to the touch actually. And once you're putting them in, you just feel like very soft, not annoying by any way type of material around your ears. And I can assure you guys that once you're wearing that, there is no any pressure on the ears. And that's one of my big problems, because I have a big head and big ears, and well, all of these headbands are always like annoying on my ears, like pressuring my ears. I hate it. So that's not the story with these. These are extra comfortable, and I can wear these for hours and without feeling any type of a fatigue around my ears. Now let's talk about the sound. These are featuring the 3D surround sound channels and a sports level sound localization. So these headset using a 3D virtual type of an algorithm to deliver a very much immersive and realistic realistic audio experience. In games, let's say for an example, it allows you to easily perceive the direction of the sound, crucially locate the opponent, and gain strategic advantage by striking first. Also, these works with the ENC, noise reduction type of an algorithm. So these can suppress background noise by utilizing a built-in algorithm and an omnidirectional high-definition microphone to quickly lock onto and capture voices. That's all, making in-game communication clearer, better, faster. So you can react faster, you can react immediately, and basically gain more points or whatever you can get, for winning the game you're playing. These are extra high quality. They're featuring a dual 2.4 gigahertz and Bluetooth input. So these are wireless, obviously, and they are designed with a high performance dual mode system. It has a 2.4 gigahertz USB dongle that is offering an ultra stable connectivity with the latency under 25 milliseconds, making it ideal for gamers because you need to react fast. With these, you will. The Bluetooth technology it works on is the 5.3 type of a Bluetooth, so it's seamless transaction, low latency gaming with an extending connection range. It also has a quick double tap of the power button, so you can seamlessly switch between the 2.4 gigahertz and between the Bluetooth modes. It comes with 62 hours of a powerful battery life, and this to solve any type of a battery anxiety. So it has a low power chip, so the high efficiency in decoding and transmission with reduced power consumption, as well as it supports the fast charging. It's charged via Type-C, and it's gonna be fully charged in only 1.5 hours. Also, you have a quick charge option when you will only charge for 5 minutes, and that type of a quick charge of 5 minutes is gonna provide you 4 hours of a phone call. I highly recommend you guys to check this one out. As I said before, the most important thing for me is that I can wear these for many hours without feeling any fatigue. This looks gorgeous. I absolutely love the bright design of these, and they're very comfortable, as well as I absolutely love the make.
Guys, I truly hope it was helpful for you. I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Be so very sure to check out these headphones by PXN, and be so very sure to let me know your opinion down below at the comments. Guys, I will leave you all of the links for the PXN 308E wireless gaming headset with microphone down below at the description box to this video of mine, as well as any possible information to get some money off, like discount codes, sales, promotions, and so very on. Every possible information that you definitely need to know can be found down below at the description box to this video of mine. Well guys, that was actually all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you on my next videos. I love you all. XOXO, Valentine.